Hello students, welcome back to Edwin. In chemistry, we are discussing about solid states. In the previous session, we have discussed about different type of solids like crystalline solids, amorphous solids, crystal lattice, unit cells. These are the things we have discussed. So you hope you have gone through this part in the previous session. Now we will continue our discussion for the next part in solid state. Next part is close packed structure. Close packed structure. অসমীয়াত কলে নিৰন্ধ্ৰ সংকুলিত গঠন নিৰন্ধ্ৰ সংকুলিত গঠন. Now the name itself implied about the structural features of solid state, isn't it? Now in all our previous session, what we have seen that in solid the constituent particles are arranged in definite order, which has been shown by some dots. Each dot represents one constituent particles. But this is a virtual representation of solids because in solids the constituent particles are not so widely apart, isn't it? In solids the constituent particles are very closely packed. You know about this? Closely packed. Now to understand close packed structure, for which we are considering the constituent particles to be a hard sphere of equal size. It is just spherical. Whatever may be the type of it, whether it is an atom, whether it is a molecule, whether it is an ion, we consider all particles to be a equal size hard sphere. Alright, so before we understand about the actual features of close packed structure, we have to be familiar with a particular term that is called coordination number. Coordination number. অসমীয়াত কলে সমন্বয় সংখ্যা. Now what is this coordination number? It is the number of nearest neighbor of a given particle. It is the number of nearest neighbor of a given particle. অসমীয়াত কলে কোনো এটা কণিকাৰ নিকটৱৰ্তী প্ৰতিবেশী কণিকাৰ সংখ্যা নিকটৱৰ্তী প্ৰতিবেশী কণিকাৰ সংখ্যা. এতিয়া চোৱা, for example, if you consider this particle as the middle constituent particles, besides which it touches with 4 other particles. So if we have to calculate, if we have to know the coordination number of this particle is 4 because it is touched by 4 particles, isn't it? So that is what is the coordination number. Now we'll extend our discussion to close packed structure based on this concept. Now in close packed structure, first of all we'll discuss about one dimensional close packed structure. Based on one dimensional close packed structure, the two dimensional close packed structure is constructed, and based on two dimensional close packed structure we can construct the three dimensional close packed structure. Actually the three dimensional close packed structure is the actual structure of solid because all solids are three dimensional in nature. So let's start with our discussion with one dimensional close packed structure. Number 1, close packing in one dimension. Close packing in one dimension. এটা মাত্ৰাত কেনেকৈ close pack সংকুলন কৰিব পাৰো. Okay. Now in this type of arrangement you will see the particles are arranged in a particular line. এটা লাইনত এনেকৈ সজাই লোৱা হয়. ঠিক আছে? Now each line is called as a row. এটা row বুলি আমি ধৰি লওঁ. Now in each row each particle is touching two other particle, isn't it? এনেকুৱা এটা row প্ৰত্যেকটো কণিকাই আন দুটা কণিকাক লগ লাগি থাকে. That is why this coordination number is 2, is it? Its coordination number is 2. So this is the first type of close packed structure. Number 2 is the second type of close packed structure. Close packing in two dimension. Close packing in two dimension. আমি দ্বিতীয় ধৰণৰ close packing লৈ আহোঁ. Now in two dimension we will see two types of close packing. We will first start with type 1. type 1. Pratham tole ahu. Now in this type 1, we will find that constituent particles are arranged in a line first, which is a row, isn't it? This is one row of particles. Now, based on this one row, we will put another row below this row in such a way that particles are placed exactly below the first row. Pratham row to thik tole tole ami dwitiyo hari to pati disu. Thik ase? In the same way, we can put the third row also, isn't it? Now, what you have observed? What you have observed that these particles are arranged in a particular line. Each particle are along a particular line. That is called, these particles are vertically aligned, as well as they are also in the same line. So these particles are horizontally aligned. So in this type of first type of two-dimensional close packing, particles are vertically as well as horizontally aligned. Is it? Okay. Now, so we can, now if you look at this, we see this is in one line which is considered to be a row A. If we consider to be row A, then second row is exactly duplicating the first row, so it is also considered to be row A. Is it alright? If it is A, then third row is also A. Alright? So all the rows in this type of arrangement, all the rows are arranged in a AAA type pattern, isn't it? So we'll, in type 1, first type 1, we'll find that particles are arranged in AAA pattern. Particles are arranged in AAA pattern. Now, if you look at this condition for the each particle, surroundings to the each particle, you will find that each particles are touching other 4 particles. Each particle are touching other 4 particles. Have you seen this? Each particle, protecto konika, an saita konika touch kori ase. That is why, if we connect this, we will find a square, right? Borgakar eta pam. So the coordination number for this is, what is the coordination number? Type 1, coordination number homonnoy সংখ্যা কি হবো? Coordination number is 4. Do you understand? Because each particle, whichever particle you see, even if you see whichever particle, you will find that it is touching other 4 particles. So this type of arrangement is called square close packing in 2D. ঠিক আছে? এটুক আমি square close packing in 2D, in which particles are arranged in AAA and coordination number is 4. This is the type 1. Next come to the type 2. Type 2, second type. In second type, we will find a different, this kind of a arrangement, but in a different form. These are the particles in the second type, isn't it? This one row. Now, where to put the next row? Next row is not put just like this. Next row is put at the depression of the first row. Have you seen this? Next row is put at the depression of the first row. Have you seen this? So second row to your depression. Now when the next row is placed at the depression of the first row, then you'll find that this particle of first row is not aligned with the particle of the second row, isn't it? So if you take it as row A, then obviously this will be row B. Alright, second row is row B. Again we put the third row, you'll find, so you'll find that the third row is again coming aligned with the row A. So particles are arranged in AB type pattern, isn't it? Now if we put it in other way, that will align with row A. So in this type of arrangement, in the second type of arrangement, alternate layer duplicate each other. Have you seen this? Alternate layer duplicate each other. So layers are, it is particles are stacked in, particles are placed, particles are arranged in AB pattern. AB pattern. In type 1, particles are arranged in A pattern. In type 2, particles are arranged in ABAB pattern, isn't it? Now, if you look at the surroundings to each of these particle, look at the surroundings to each of these particle. যিকোনো এটা particle ললো, আমি যে চাও, it is touching other 6 particle. Have you seen this? Touching other 6 particle. প্ৰত্যেকটো কণিকাই আন 6টা কণিকা সংযোগ কৰিছে. So the coordination number is is 6. In this type of arrangement, coordination number is 6, and this is, and if you connect these particles, you will find a hexagon. So this is called as hexagonal close packing in 2D. So we are having two types of close packing in two-dimensional close arrangement. One is square close packing. This is the square close packing. Other is the hexagonal close packing in 2D. Square close packing and hexagonal close packing are the two-dimensional close pack in close pack structure. Hope you have understood this. So if you have seen this, then we can proceed for the next for three-dimensional close packing. All right.